are home. Ito yung mga binili namin. We have oyster. Oyster, anong pangalan niya? Jersey oyster. Ito naman is Maldon oyster. Is ano ito?
Sardine.
Sardine. We got cod. We got prawn. We got crabs and scallop. And what's
Sea
the
snail.
Snail.
Sea snail.
Snail.
Snail. Okay, the other one is we got
Salmon head.
salmon head. Yan, masarap tong sinigang. Woo! Nice one.
Have you tried the salmon head sinigang?
No. Oh no, she had it when you made it.
Oh yeah. I got scared. I got scared.
No, actually, like this, it's not scary, but you know, in the water when it was like floating.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and Estrella she buy
Salmon roll.
salmon caviar.
Yeah.
Caviar. Is it? Are you happy? Are you happy, Taro? Yes?
He's confused. Are you confused?
Are you confused.com?
This is cacao.
This is 6
Yeah.